Alright, so guys, let's talk about something important that I believe connects all of us together. This is what is currently trending in Nigeria right now. If you own a vehicle in Nigeria, either for commercial or personal use, you need to have a tinted permit. Not the tinted permit you all have before, but the new tinted permit you need to acquire on the posa.gov.ng. So the federal government has given the IG the power to instruct all the police that starting from August 12th, which is tomorrow, if you don't have this tinted permit, your car is going to be impounded. I'm going to show you some documents and every document you need to use on this particular platform. So we are right on this particular page right here, and I'm going to put the link in the description of this video. But before you start, if you have just few minutes of your time, just hit the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I drop more other videos on this particular channel. So without wasting too much of your time, let's head over right now. Now, once you have created your account by your email and password and you have signed in, then you need to select which service you want to request for. So we have the individual and the corporate right here. So if you're individual, just select individual, just like you and I. But if you're a corporate body, you need to go ahead with the corporate. So now individual has been selected and you need to select which service you want to request for. So it is tinted glass permit right here. So, and if you want to collect the police character certificate, you can go for that. But here is what we want to collect. So tinted glass permit. So then I'm going to tap on proceed right here. So it's going to take us to the fill request form right here. So this is the fill request form right here where you are going to fill your verification method. So I use my bank verification number right here and I fill other details on this particular page. Just make sure you fill all of your personal details on this particular page. And right here at the bottom, it's going to say, do you have an alternative contact info for this request? So I choose no because that is my main information, and just tap on proceed right down here. So this particular page is going to ask you to fill your verification type. So we have two verification type. We have the physical verification and we have the virtual verification type. So this particular physical verification is going to require you to go into the police station where you are going to do biometric capturing. Yes, you have to walk inside a police station and do your biometric capturing. I don't think all police station can do that. You need to go to one kind of head office. So it is very, very okay if you go ahead with it. Virtual verification. So virtual verification is actually going to cost you a little amount of money. So now tap on to go ahead with the physical. You just need to go ahead with physical. And if you want to go ahead with the virtual verification, you just have to put in mind that you need to pay about 2,850 naira. So once you tap on virtual verification, because that is what I want to go ahead with. So tap on proceed right here. So once you tap on proceed right here, it's going to take us to the next page right here. So the first thing is you are going to enter your VIN. So you are going to enter your VIN right here. So once you enter your VIN is your VIN number. It's written on your car document. You are going to see VIN, vehicle identification number. You are going to see it right on your document. And the best place to see your VIN number is on your proof of ownership document. Right here, you can see proof of ownership document. This is how it looks like. So proof of ownership document, that is the best place you can see your VIN, or check the side, the door side of your car. It's written around that side. It's written there. So, but the best place you can check it is on your proof of ownership. You are going to see the VIN. It's about 17 characters, mix of numbers and letters. So it's 17 characters long. So you can just check it on your proof of ownership. So once you input that VIN on this particular page right here, once you input, it's going to ask you to verify, and it's going to take you over to a verification service right here. You can see this verification service right here. So it's going to give you a verification code. All you need to do is just leave it right there and tap on proceed. So it's going to take you to a page where you are going to make payment of 2,850 naira. So I made the payment right here, and you can see the invoice. So I made a payment of 2,850 naira right here, and you can see this invoice has been fully paid for and there are no pending payment left. So I can view the receipt right here. So for me to check the receipt of this particular payment right here. So let me just view the receipt, and you can see I made 2,850 2,851 payment right here this morning, August 11. So you can see for this vehicle service, vehicle verification service. So that is it. So for them to verify my document, my car VIN, I need to pay 2,850. So once you do that, once you enter your VIN right here, it will automatically load the make of your car, the model of your car, the year of your car. It's going to automatically fill it because it is online. Your VIN carries that particular information, but it is not going to carry the color of your car because you might have changed the color of your car. So you need to input the color of your car right in here. If your car is black, you need to put it right in here. If your car is red, you need to put in green, silver, custom. Like if it is not here, you can put whatever color your car is right now. So now vehicle plate number, you need to put in your vehicle plate number right here. So the plate number of the car, of your car right now, you need to put it right in here. Just type it according to the format it's shown here. Vehicle owner's full name, your full name that is on your document, so you need to put in your full name right in there. Your surname, you can see the format, Mohammed Tochukwu Abiodun, just like this. Just put your full name right in there. And now these are the documents you need to upload on this verification site. Number one is your passport photo. So all you need to do is take your phone right here, open your camera on your phone and take a picture of yourself on a white background. So that is the kind of picture you need to take. So now let's go over to the second document. You need to upload the picture right in here, and the picture must not be more than 2 MB, megabytes. So now upload proof of ownership. So this is your proof of ownership. So this is how proof of ownership looks like. So this is it right here. Let me just show you on a bigger screen. This is how proof of ownership looks like. So that is it. You are going to see it at the top. It says at the top right here, it says proof of ownership. I'm sorry, it's not going to just see it right there. It's proof of ownership. That is how the document looks like, and you need to upload it right in here where it says proof of ownership. Right here you can see upload proof of ownership. So snap it with your phone and upload it. And now upload vehicle license data page. So this particular one, this is the document you need to upload. Yeah, a lot of you always take out the sticker and paste it on your car. You can see you can take the sticker and paste it on your car windshield. So now this is what you need to do. You need to snap this full document. You can see this full document, like, okay, let me just take it off. Like this one I'm holding at the front. This one I'm holding at the front. The full document like this, unexpired. You need to snap the full document because that is your data page, your license data page. So you need to snap the full document and upload it on this upload vehicle license data page. So now the next thing is date of vehicle license. So the date, enter the date the vehicle license was issued. Now this is not when you collected the first license. The last license you collected that is not expired yet, that is the day you need to put in. So if you bought your car in 2021 and you collect the license in 2021 and you renew 2022, you renew 2023, you renew 2024, and now this is 2025. You have not renewed 2025, but 2024 is still active. Now you are going to enter the date you renew on 2024. And you can actually see it on this particular page right here. It is written here that date issued. Date issued is always written here, and expiring date will also be there. But the date they're asking for is the date it was issued, the last document you have, the date it was issued out. So you need to put it right here. So now this is where we are going to have a little problem. Reason for inquiry. Now this is the reason you need a license permit. You need to tell them. So there are basically about 3 or 4 reasons why you need a license permit. So if you tap on it right here, so health issue means that you need a license for probably your eyes. You don't see when it is too bright like that, so you need to tint it so that it will be darker. Now you need a document to support it, because every of the reason you pick right here, any reason you pick right here, you need a document. If it is security, probably you are an eye figure, in the town and you don't want to walk, drive around and people start seeing you from the side, like, so you need to tint your side mirror, so not side mirror, side glasses. You need a document also. Factory fitted means that if you bought your car from Yankee Tokunbo and the glass beside has been tinted factory, not like they sellotape it on it, the glass itself is black. So that is what they call factory fitted. That is what they call factory fitted. You still need a document for that. A doctor's letterhead letter that, okay, this person has a little eye problem and he cannot see very well and he has gone under treatment, but he can see very well now. Just to maintain that kind of health status, he needs a factory tinted. That line is not going to be more than 4 lines the doctor is going to write for you on their letterhead paper and they print it out. That is what you are going to upload in the supporting document. That is all. And now let's go over to category of tinted. So now these are the categories of tinted, level of tint on your vehicle. Now, clear tint with over 80 to 100% luminous transmittance. This means that your tint is very clear, that you can see the person inside the car very, very well. You can see the person inside the car even if you are afar, you can see the person very, very well. Light tint means that with over 43% to 80% luminous, like it is just light, all those not dark one, light tinted that is just going to be there. You need to select it. Medium tint, that is the kind of one I use on my own vehicle. It is medium tint. You cannot see the person very well unless you move closer. Unless you move closer to the glass and you now look like this, you now see the person inside the car. That is the one I'm using. But the third one in the category 3, dark tinted. Even if you use microscope, you cannot see the person inside the car. You cannot see the person inside the car. That is dark tinted. You need to select it. What's next again? Upload vehicle front view. Now, you are going to take your phone and go in front of your car and snap the front of your car like this. It's going to show everything. You are going to upload it right here. Upload front view. Rear view, you are going to go to the back of your car and snap the back of your car full like this. You are going to upload it. Side view of your car, especially they said with side windows in frame. So the two glasses, the driver side, the passenger side at the back, the two glasses must show side view. Snap that one also and upload it right here. And now upload image of VIN as shown on the body of your vehicle. 2 places you can see this, and it varies on cars. There is a place in your windshield. Is it windshield or windscreen? Whatever. The front side, the front of your car like this, the glass, the full glass in front of your car that you used to see. Now go there. You are going to see at the downside where the wiper is, they wrote a number right there. Yes, they wrote a number. It's always like a chassis number, basically. You might see a chassis number right in there. Now, select police command to request tint permit state. So now you are going to select your state that you are in right now, that you are available, not the state you are born, the state that you are in right now. So if you are in Lagos State, select Lagos State. If you are in Oyo State, just select Oyo State. And now, because I've not processed all this information, it's not going to show. So it's going to ask you to select the command. So if it's Oyo State, so now after you fill in all of those information right here, you need to tap on proceed, which is right here. So once you tap on proceed, it's going to say, this is the picture I uploaded and this is the sample picture. I think it's still okay if they're going to go ahead with that. So that is what I have. So I'm going to tap on proceed right here. So tapping on proceed is going to take me over to the next page. All right, so I have actually completed that, and it took me actually to request confirmation right here. And here, I'm actually going to blur all of this because these are my personal information. I don't want to display it on the screen. So I'm going to scroll down below before I submit finally. So right here, it says I have to pay a total sum of 14,200. After paying 2,800 before, I need to pay 14,200. So 2,000 naira is for processing application fee and another 12,200 for processing and application fee. I don't know what that is, but 14,200 for all of these. So I fill in all of my information and now you need to make payment right here. So you have to tap on I agree and generate invoice right here. So just tap on generate invoice right here to generate the invoice for you. So now it has actually generated invoice for me. This is my name and this is the invoice I need to pay, and this is every of those things I need to make payment for. So now I have different method to pay. You can pay through bank branch, but I think the best way to pay is using pay online. So I'm going to tap on pay online. So this is the QR code. I need to save it right here, so in case I go through some particular issue. So this is how they are going to reference my payment in case your payment actually have some error. So this particular reference is going to help you with that. So I'm going to save it right in a particular notepad or save it on your phone and proceed to payment. So now it's taking me over to where I'm going to make payment. It says transfer. So I prefer the transfer basically. So let me just use the transfer method. So I'll tap on continue right now. So it's going to generate me the account number, the Parkway account number. That is the account number they use. So I'm just waiting for it to load out there and you're going to see it. So there is a countdown at the top right here. So you need to make every transfer you want to make within this time. Don't use the account number I'm using. It is going to generate your own for you. 74. Don't say anything less than that into it. So now I'm going to go ahead and make the payment, and right now you are paying. I have sent the particular payment right now, so the transfer has actually gone. 14,200 has gone, and let's see the processing, how it's going to be on the page. So I've sent 14,200 into their account, and let us see what we are going to have and how they are going to process it as fast as possible. About 20. So can we see it has actually been processed right on the screen where we are? And now let's see what we are going to see next right here. So I have completed my payment and it has actually gone, and this is it. So right there. So just make sure you download it right on and save it on your mobile phone. So I'm going to download that, and that is the receipt right here. And finally, they have sent a message to me on my mobile phone number right here that my document has been sent, and I think it's not showing very well on the screen, so I would have shown you right there, but they sent a message to my mobile phone number that my payment has been completed, and they gave me a receipt number. So I'll watch out for this particular message once it has been approved, because they said 72 hours processing is going to be in between your submission and the approval. So basically it's actually going to be approved. Yeah, so that is it guys, and just go ahead at the back of your mind, just make sure that you are going to pay roughly 19,000 naira for all of these. So that is it guys, and thank you so much, and I'll be saying bye for now.